What's the meaning of Anglo-American? Anglo-American. 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 Anglo-American.
Anglo-American refers to a term used to describe the historical, cultural, and political ties between the United States and the United Kingdom. The term originated during World War II when the two nations formed a close alliance based on shared values such as democracy and capitalism. Since then, the term has been used to refer to various aspects of the relationship between the two countries, including their legal systems, language, and diplomatic ties. Overall, Anglo-American represents a special relationship between two nations with deep historical roots and ongoing cooperation.